My name is My name is Peter Oru Bete, the team leader and chief executive director of the African Life Initiative. Today, we are trying to start a process of giving back to nature. This project is called Working with the Natives for the restoration of the forest, mostly their fee wildlife sanctuary in Boki local government area of Cross State. This particular tree is called locally in Boki Oje, Ejie. It is also known as mimosa. Botanically, it is Mimosopa elengi. The tree is the flagship tree recognized in Cross State. It has enormous economic potentials. Apart from it being used as a tree for storage of timber, it is mostly used by the women of Boki for the production of vegetable oil. We use it to extract oil, which has a very high economic value and cultural value for the Boki people. The tree is also the oil is known to be medicinal and is used to suppress hypertension and other anti-inflammatory disease, which is endemic in this area. Today, we're starting the process of going back to the forest to plant these trees in the restoration program. This program initially is assisted by the Critical Ecosystem Partnership Fund, and it is meant to restore degraded areas and also empowering communities to raise nursery, use the nursery as a source of income by selling the nurseries to farmers, and also use this nursery to restore degraded areas, mostly the areas that have been seriously destroyed by earthquake since the year 2012. Over the years, the people of the environs have been depending in the forest for their livelihood. And this man have been known to package the people of the forest. Worse is this present day, since 2012, now the level of logging and also stable farming has contributed to devastate the entire forest. And now, the communities of Biakwan in the local government area, Bancho, Kataba, and Olom, are now using indigenous law system by the passage of their local bylaws to effectively manage their forest themselves. One of the bylaw is guiding against incessant forest bush burning in the forest. Another one is the practice of agroforestry and diversified agriculture. All these are aimed at restoring the degraded areas of the field wildlife sanctuary.